Hi guys, in this session we're going to see the poem Once I Saw a Little Bird. So this song is about a little bird and also about a little child who wants to talk with the little bird. Let's get into the poem. Once I saw a little bird come hop, hop, hop. I cried, little bird, will you stop, stop, stop? I was going to the window to say, how do you do? But he shook his little tail and away he flew. So one fine day, a little child is witnessing a little bird. So this little bird was coming towards the house of that little child. Once that child noticed this little bird coming hopping, he cried, little bird, will you stop, stop, stop? Because that child wants to talk with that bird. So in order to talk, that little child was crying, little bird, will you stop, stop, stop? Let's see what happens then. Then, not just asking the bird to stop, but also this little child was going towards the window in order to say, how do you do? This little child wants to ask to that little bird, how was it? How was the little bird going? So in order to ask how do you do, how are you, this little child wants to talk with that little bird. So in order to ask that, this little child was going towards the window. But that little bird never stops. Instead, that little bird shook his little tail and flew away. So anyway, the child was actually expecting to talk with this little bird, but at the same time, this little bird shook his little tail and flew away. Because the little birds, they will be scared of human beings because we may hurt them. But here, that little child, not to hurt that little bird, he went towards that bird, but instead, he wants to talk with that bird. In order to know how do you do, he wants to talk with that little bird by asking that. But unfortunately, that little bird flew away. So that's all about this poem. I hope you could have understood. Stay connected with CBSE Glimpse for more videos. Thank you.